Déjalo, pesa mucho.
Está bien, mamá. Está bien.
Señor Marston. Mamá, papá, este es el gringo que me salvó.
Muchas gracias. My family's indebted to you. Forgive my English.
What's happening?
Great and terrible things. The revolution is coming. The country will be in turmoil once more. This time, we hope it's the last time.
Does that seem likely?
With Abraham Reyes, anything is possible.
Where's your family going?
My parents and my brother are headed to the hills. My sister has to flee. The army have an unfortunate way of treating women.
And you?
Don't worry about me, Mr. Marston. I'm living in history. I'm not afraid to die.
Your nobility's almost as affecting as your naivete.
I would rather be dead than a cynic like you, Mr. Marston.
I would too.
I know you're not really like that. You saved me.
Luisa, ¿quién va a salvar a Miranda? Tenemos que llevar al puerto. Su barco sale al anochecer. ¡No queda tiempo!
Mr. Marston, can I ask one more favor of you? Can you take my sister to the docks? We are sending her to work for a kind man in the Yucatan. She's too young for revolution.
Okay. Anything I can do to help out?
The boat leaves at sundown. Miranda, vamos.
Oh, Dios, Miranda. Ten cuidado. Adiós. Te amo.
Emilio works as a driver. We will take his stagecoach. It is not too far. I will show you the way.
¡Paren! ¡Papeles! Este camino está prohibido.
What do they want now? Act normal. It's nothing to worry about.
Te conozco. Eres un pinche rebelde. ¡Disparen! ¡No les dejen escapar!
Go! Get away from them! Dios mío! That wagon is going straight towards the soldiers! Take the left here! Stay away from them! ¡Válgame Dios! Did you see them? Keep going! Faster, señor! I will show you the way. We must be careful to avoid the army, or they will kill us both!
for everything. Will I see you when I return?
Not likely. I ain't planning on staying very long.
In some other life, then.
Maybe. You should get going. Travel safely. Come on! Let's go!
¡Eres llorón, maricón! ¡Me das asco! Hablas lealtad, pero eres transparente. Estarás aplaudiendo cuando mi cabeza está pelado, ¿verdad?
No, mi excelencia. Mis hombres y yo estamos trabajando noche y día por su honor.
¿Honor? ¿Qué eres, un muchacho? Jovencito sin vergüenza. ¿Qué diablo es este cabrón?
That's the man who helped us defeat Reyes. The man I spoke to you of. Frente a México.
Hello, sir.
Hola, gringo. So you are the bounty hunter, huh? Have you found your prey yet?
No, sir.
Perhaps you come to hunt me, huh? Your country loves to make trouble in mine.
Perhaps, but it isn't so.
Perhaps I should tie you to a horse and let it drag you around town. Or let the dogs fight you, huh? Then see what you say.
I'd say the same thing. I'm here to bring two men to justice, nothing more. Your politics or ideas of entertainment are not my concern.
Yeah, I suppose not. Pero son tuyos. Sinceramente, espero que me encontraste alguna compañía más interesante que esa bruja que me traíste anoche.
Let me ask you this, sir. Do you know anything of the men I'm looking for?
Escuela is from this province. His father was a borracho, a drunk who worked as a laborer on land cultivated by my uncle. Men like that are natural allies for Reyes. My people have lived and worked here for 100 years. We brought civilization. And these people, these fucking monkeys, despise us. We brought them God! And they turned their back on him. Now I fight to help them from themselves, to save them from themselves. I see in their faces that they would kill me if they could. Is she only a tyrant? That is the way it is. These people need a ruler.
Well, sorry to hear that.
Sorry? Why be sorry? It is a way of mankind. A fight between two forces. Que será, será. What will be, will be. But I know one thing, Senor Marston. Force, force, must be used if you're to have your own way.
I'm sure.
Now, perhaps you can do me a favor while I find these men for you.
After we find the men, then I'll help in any way I can.
You are in no position to negotiate. Now, por favor, a bunch of these idiots men are fighting at Tesoro Azul. And you head there and you lend your support. Baboso, ¿cuántas veces voy a decirte? No ponga detrás de mí. ¿Qué eres, cabrón? No está mi sombra. Vaya.
I sent some men ahead. We will meet them there. Get on your horse, amigo.
Let's go! So I finally met your great leader. He certainly lives up to his reputation.
What would you know about leadership?
Only that most can't handle power.
It is easy to criticize power when you have never had it yourself. Maybe it is because you have never been in the presence of a strong man before. I have seen the pictures of your country in the newspapers. Men preening and decorating themselves like women. Vanity is the legacy the British left behind.
Look, I don't know the fella. Just saying. If that's how he treats his own men.
Coronel Allende controls any situation he's in because he knows that situation can never be allowed to control him. It is what a leader must do. And in case you had not noticed, we're fighting a war. We're all under a lot of pressure.
Pressure to find young girls?
The Coronel needs recreation like everyone else. He does not have time to court women. He's waging a war on ignorance and is impatient for victory. He's trying to inspire wisdom in those more stupid than himself. We must hurry. You Americans think you can ride? Do you? Come on, I will race you there. You just wait. Coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
¡Desata! ¿Por qué tardaste tanto? ¿Y quién es este gringo? Octavio, por favor. Cada hombre ayuda. I hope you fight better than this little girl, gringo. Come, let's have some fun.
ores growing in that house over there. Remember, nobody takes them before Allende.
We did all this just to get women for Allende?
No, that's just a bonus. This village is riddled with rebels. Make sure they don't have homes to come back to. There are fire bottles over there. Use them to burn down some of these houses.
And what makes you think I'd do that?
You want to find Javier Escuela, don't you? John, you're helping Mexico. ¡Vámonos, muchachos! ¡Buen trabajo!
Yo me quedo aquí para vigilar el gringo, Capitán de Santa.
Get the fire bottle! It is time to finish what we started!
Sígame, inútil. No me hagas repetir, ¿eh? ¡Throw el gringo! Stop wasting time! Another one! Now the last one!
Here, present.
Isn't that beautiful?
You really are pathetic.
You need to relax. Come back to the villa and sample some of the new girls before they spoil.
Excuse me. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Slow down.
Mr. Marston, ride with us. We've been betrayed.
What's happened?
There's no time. Ride with us. Then we'll find the men you seek. Come. I have men waiting for us, just outside Escalera. Vamos!
What's the hurry, DeSanta? Where we
The rebels
go?
have taken control of an abandoned fort on the other side of Nuevo Paraíso. Many men. A place called Torquemada. We can allow them to establish a stronghold. The Colonel has given me urgent orders
Which are?
to kill them all.
I should have guessed.
Leave your horse here. You will ride with me.
Los rebeldes tienen una fortaleza ahora. ¿A dónde vamos a parar? Abraham Reyes tiene un verdadero ejército. Dicen que hay cientos de hombres apostados a Torquemada. Creo que somos muy pocos.
Captain Espinosa already has men there. We must get to him before he tries anything stupid. Wake up! We're drawing near to Torquemada. Keep your eye out. I have a bad feeling about this. Rebels! Hold them off! We're not far from the camp! mess that idiot Espinosa has made.
Was he that deranged captain at Tesoro Azul? Is he leading this attack?
Leading? Espinosa does not lead anything.
I thought you was the same rank.
He is an angry dog we let out to run sometimes. That is all. I'm in charge here. Follow me. We will leave the wagon here.
¿Y dónde carajo están los otros que necesitamos? ¡Nos van a masacrar con estos pocos!
Rebeldes que tú y tus hombres se habían encargado nos atacaron. Ten cuidado con ese tono de voz. Basta. Come on. Ignore the stupid.
Shut your mouth off his boy! Gringo, take that sniper rifle over there. Be a man's work.
¡Por aquí!
That is all of it. Follow me. The men need help at the blockade. ¡Una brecha! ¡No les dejen pasar! ¡Por Dios!
Who do you think you're messing with?
¡Adelante! ¡Para gloria! ¡Despreza a los traidores!
Are you?
¡A la mierda con estos pendejos! ¡Vengan! ¡Todos los campesinos! ¡Valley is clear! ¡Adelante! ¡Muevan! ¡Baboso!
Don't fall behind!
You have a strap! Kill the snipers! Kill them, gringo! All the snipers are dead! Adelante! Síganme! ¿Por qué no corres, cabrón? ¿Quieres balazos?
That's enough!
Pero mira qué idiota. Síganme ya. ¡Mátenlos! ¡Avancen a las próximas ruinas! ¡Ojos abiertos! ¡Aquí vienen más! ¡Destruyannos a todos! ¡No aguantamos a traidores! ¡A la batalla! ¡Enemigo! ¡Me lo pagará!
Who else wants to go?
atrás con la tuya. Mira este cabrón. ¿Qué piensas hacer, pendejo? ¡Vamos a la costa! ¡Toma! ¡Vamos!
You fellas should have stayed at home.
¡Adentro, soldados! ¡Ringo, cover!
Cover! You want more?
¡Cúbrame!
Test me now! Get already!
¡Buen trabajo, soldados! ¡Vamos! ¡Hay más sangre que derramar! ¡No paren! ¡Más rebeldes! ¡Disparen a matar! ¡Por favor! ¡Quédense conmigo! ¡Ahorita! No le vamos a hacer nada.
¡Rebeldes! Escuchen la melodía de mis tiros.
You're hard men, are you?
¡Recarguen sus armas para el asalto final!
¡Maten a todos!
¡Ojos abiertos! ¡Aquí vienen más!
Sígame, inútil. No me hagas repetir, ¿eh?
¡Por Dios!
¿Por qué no corres, cabrón? ¿Quieres un balazo?
Look out! Fire!
¡Destruyannos a todos! You should have stayed in America, my friend. ¡Buen trabajo, soldados! ¡Vamos! ¡Hay más sangre que derramar! ¡La victoria está cerca! ¡Más rebeldes! ¡Disparen a matar!
Don't test me now!
morir! ¡Paren! ¡Luchamos para liberar, pero para el pueblo! ¡Cúbrame!
You wanted it this way, fellas.
What are you doing? I am leading this attack. Cover me! ¡Sígueme! ¡Abren sus cabezas!
I'll be seeing you in hell, my friend.
La victoria es nuestra, soldados. Ustedes son todos héroes.
Tengo hambre, lo que sea, mujer. Amigo, ¿qué pasa? Killer like you deserves fine women and wine. The best pleasures Earth can give a man.
I need some information, DeSanta.
All in good time. My man and I will finish our business here, and we can talk back at Escalera.
The next time I see you, I need some answers, Captain.
Go get drunk, go get a woman! Enjoy life! It's a beautiful struggle!
Let's go. wrong, Luisa?
I don't wait for myself, but for my country. Abraham Reyes has been captured.
He has?
He was coming to meet me at Roca Madera. It's a very romantic spot. It was a beautiful night, yet he was ambushed by patrol. My heart is breaking, but I cry for Mexico.
Where's he being held?
El Presidio. You know, in our hearts we are married already, but his family do not approve. How could they, when I am little more than a peasant girl? But that's what makes Abraham the man he is. He doesn't care for their bourgeois, snobbery, or elitism. He sees the real me, the woman.
I'm sure.
I'm going to go and rescue him or die trying.
Oh, whoa. I don't think that's such a good idea. Ride with me to near the jail. We'll figure out how to rescue him.
Mr. Marston, you're truly a friend of this land.
So everyone keeps informing me.
Let's go, Mr. Marston. Every second, Abraham is closer to the... It is not far now. Are you ready? El Presidio. There it is. You have to find the way in.
I'll do my best.
There is a partially broken down wall. You should be able to scramble over it. Hurry, but please be careful. There are guards everywhere. They see you, they will kill you both. You can do this. You have God on your side. Good luck. Que Dios te proteja.
¡Eres un traidor! ¡Sabes derrocar a Allende! No mereces ser llamado mexicano. Pagarás por tu traición, Abraham.
Now please cut me free, senor.
Luisa sent me. We have to meet her by the river.
¿Qué?
Luisa, the girl you're marrying.
Oh, yes. Such a devoted thing. El amor de mi vida. Now get us a horse, my friend. I am in no condition to ride myself. Now ride like the wind, my friend.
Slow it up now. Come on. Come on.
Luis has hit me. Vamos, vete prisa. The army's coming.
Atrás! Look out! Mira, I see more of one of us. ¡Viva Reyes! ¡Viva la revolución! ¡Tómamela! Come on! Come on! What is your name, my friend?
John Marston.
No, the American who was working for Allende.
I ain't working for nobody. I'm here because Luisa asked for my help.
As I thought you were a friend of Allende's, I was planning on putting a bullet in your back.
Well, try to resist the urge.
How do you know my young lover, Laura?
It's Luisa. I saved her life not so long back.
I will not forget this, compadre. You will be rewarded. Money, women, Luisa if you want her.
I'm here for 2 men, and that's it.
You have been spending too much time with Captain De Santa.
Very funny. Not like that. I'll explain later.
I am free again. I will write a poem about this day.
This is from a man who was tied to a post with a gun in his face a few minutes ago.
I wish I could see Allende's face when he finds out that I defeated 100 of his men.
All you done is get on the back of this horse, my friend.
Luisa y Zapajet. Buena suerte, compadre.
Go. Let's go.
Arre.
There she is. I remember her now. Mi amiga.
Abraham, Mr. Marston,
Oi!
the revolution will live on thanks to you.
Yes, indeed, John. You are as a brother to me. And my people need a man such as you to help our cause. My ranch is in Agave Viejo, and let me say, my brother, that we await you.
Well, best of luck to both of you, but I need to find 2 men so I can return to America.
No problem. I will help you find those men. And in return, you will win a people her freedom.
Viva Mexico!
¿A dónde tú vas, bella? ¿Eh? Bye, John. Vente conmigo. Tú sabes que en esta luz puedo ver el fuego en tus ojos. Laura, dame la fuerza para luchar.
amor, ven aquí. Tengo una cosita para enseñarte.
Escucha lo que te digo. Habrá guerra en Europa. Carajo, cállate ya. Estoy divertido.